Monkeys jump on the bed?
Yes.
And one fell off?
Spiders.
Spiders? And bumped his head? Mama called the doctor and the doctor said...
We already did a video of that. Let's
Okay. No more monkeys. She was just saying it. Oh my goodness.
You see spiders?
Yes.
Do you want to do Itsy Bitsy Spider? Spiders jump on the bed? Helena, you want to do Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Yes.
Okay. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Now what are you doing? Helena. Typical female.
Uh-oh.
You don't try to hit Eva. No, no.
Don't, sir, don't take a picture of the ornaments.
Big camera, the big Eva. Mama, wait, box?
No.
Here's how she's starting to try to climb out. You're gonna fall down, babe, and hurt the baby.
Me, boys? You need to take a picture with me. Monkey, baby.
What is that, Eva?
It's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn. You like it?
Yeah. And I love Barbies and mermaids. And I like having parties with Bye, Daddy.
What?
That boy.
What, Helena? What'd you just say to me?
She said bad boy.
Yeah, I know. She said bad boy. You don't say that, Helena.
Nah.
Eva.
I feel good. Stop that.
You did it. Lady, a spider. Do you like her eyes? Spiders. Look.
Yeah, those are pretty purple eyes.
Spiders.
Ugh.
A spider. A spiders. We need a spider.
See spiders?
He does see a spider in that.